Hello, welcome to our channel guys, QA Automation Stuff. Today we are discussed about how to print a random number in Java. So in between the 1 to 50 we can print a random number here. So with the help of that random class we do that things. Okay, so random is a class. Okay, random present inside the utils package. Okay, so we require the import here. So random, we create the object of random class. We required firstly we uh, import java dot util dot star. So okay, for all I'm writing here star for the all. Then with the help of the system dot out dot println, and then with the help of that object generate the random number. Okay, r dot next int till next int. Okay, till 15. Okay, in between 1 to 15 we can generate the random number here. Always e- every time random number will be changed here. Okay, randomly generated one number, so we can see there. Okay, so if you want to generate the 5 random number, so we use the for loop for that. Okay, integer I is equal to 1 or equal to 5 or I plus plus here. Okay, so with the help of that we can generate the 5 random number. If you want to generate the 10, so we can change the value here in for loop. Yeah, so this is the 10 random number in the 1 to 50. Okay, so if you want to generate the 1 to 100 10 random number, so we use the 100 here. Okay, every time random number will be changed in console. You can see here. Okay, interviewer always ask these types of question. So for the basic things, so we require the import here because random class present inside the utils package. So we require the import here, import java.util.random class. Okay, so we always we require these things. So without these things we cannot run the program. Okay, so we can see that things. Okay, so we require the import here. Okay, so thanks for watching.